This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your active status using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone open now and I am on Messenger. Your active status is what shows people if you're online or not. To enable it or disable it, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on Menu. Then you want to go up and tap on Settings. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways and right in here, Active Status. As you can see, I currently have my active status turned off, but you just tap on it. And this toggle right up here, show when you're active. To enable it, you toggle this on. To disable it, you just toggle it off. If you toggle it off, a little dialog box will open up asking you if you're wanting to turn off the active status. You just tap on Turn Off. And now it is disabled. And to enable it, you just toggle it back on. That is how to enable or disable your active status in Messenger using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.